everybody, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Carmel Asha, and if you're new here, thank you for being here. Alright, so today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me video with black owned beauty brands. Okay, the main one I think I'm going to focus on today is Juvia's Place. All right, because I have so much product from Juvia's Place that it might just cover the entire gamut of everything that I'm going to need to complete my face. But overall, I'm going to do my very best to keep this black owned beauty brands, period. Okay, so if you saw my skincare video, I did mention that these upcoming videos that I'm going to be doing, I am going to be focusing heavily on black owned businesses. Okay, my goal is to make it so that shopping black isn't just trendy because of a hashtag, you know, Blackout Tuesday. No, we need to shop black and make it a lifestyle. Okay, that's the only way that we're really going to see the type of changes that we want to see in terms of spreading the wealth around. Okay, and again, nothing against the other beauty brands. Like, I'm still going to use products from other brands, but like I said, I'm going to put a special focus on black owned beauty brands because I feel like we need to show them our support, not just today, but all the time, every day. All right, so all right, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. As you can see, I've already done my brows. I did my brows off camera, and basically I'm just gonna continue with prep, complexion, so forth and so on. All right, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and prep my face with a primer. Now, this is a brand that I'm very much new to, but in doing my research, I found them. Okay, this black owned beauty brand is called Laws of Nature Cosmetics. Okay, this is an antioxidant primer. It has ginger root extract. Okay, it's vegan and cruelty free. I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place contour sticks. I've been wanting to try these for a while. I have 3 here. Okay, the reason why I have 3 is I have one which is my complexion, then my highlight color, and then my contour color. So now that my face has the base on, the foundation, I did my highlight and my contour all with the foundation sticks, which I have to say, I would say it has like a very creamy texture, which I guess I was surprised by, but I've seen sticks like that before. It's just that you never know. Some are a little bit drier, some are very moist and soft. To me, these are more on the softer side, which should make blending very easy for most people. My only thing is it can lift up easily when it's very soft like that. So if you need to go back in with your brush or your beauty blender, and if you see that some of it lifted, just go back over it and it should be perfectly fine. All right, so at this point, I'm gonna go in with my setting powder and everything else to build up my face. Okay. Guys, this is the finished look with black owned beauty brands like I promised. I used Juvia's Place, Beauty Bakery, I even threw in some Fenty, Laws of Nature, so forth and so on. I will provide a list of all the products that I use if you want to check them out, okay? If you guys have any ideas for any other videos that you would like for me to do, or any other beauty brands that you want to see and you want me to review before you go out and purchase it yourself, please let me know down below, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, okay guys? And again, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching, and come back again.